Hi, hello all. My name is Pinky, and thank you God for connecting me to Healing Heaven and Mumtaz ji. And I did this 2 days advanced spiritual healing session online from Kolkata, sitting at Kolkata, and when I came here, I was obviously there is always a reason why you land up here. Otherwise, it's not very easy to connect here. So I got connected, and thank you God for that. And the condition I came here, and today what I feel is very big difference, is a positive difference I feel, and I feel very positive. All the advanced sessions what Mumtaz ji has taken for the spiritual healing, and I felt each and every step, and I felt confident in her guided method, and the second day was more powerful, and I could feel the difference between the second day and first day and second day in me myself. There's a drastic change in me, and it's very difficult to explain in words. There is no language to explain that. Is only you can feel it inside, and whatever the teachings are there, I will continue to do that. And and thank you once again for helping me and healing me for the problems which I have come to you, and protecting me and my family and my loved ones also. So and thank you, Mariam, for your great support. And since you called me sister that time, so you're also like little angel and sister to me. So, and you're also so thank you so much.
Thank you so much. God bless you always.